Hello, welcome to I Got Today, your daily reflection. And I am Father Sony Sebastian, a Divine Word missionary priest. It's so nice to share this reflection with you today. And there are three great missionary journeys of Paul described in the Acts of the Apostles. And today we see the beginning of the first of these journeys. Saul and Barnabas had just returned to Antioch from Jerusalem, where they had brought relief supplies to the brothers and sisters in Jerusalem who were suffering from famine. Such mutual support of brothers in need is an essential element of Christian community living. They also brought John Mark, the writer of the second gospel. It suddenly becomes clear to the community in their common prayer and fasting that God is calling Barnabas and Saul for a special evangelizing work. By the way, Saul here is Paul. You might find why I am using Saul instead of Paul. We find the name of Paul changed only in the chapter 15 of Acts of the Apostles, and this is much before. So that's the reason I'm using the name for Paul as Saul. So Paul's first missionary journey does not arise from his own initiative, but is a response to the call of the Spirit, made known as the community praise and fast. Then, as a sign of missioning, all lay their hands on the two missionaries, Barnabas and Saul. They had to go and preach in the name of the community which has sent them. So they set off by going down to Seleucia and from there to Cyprus. Seleucia was the seaport of Antioch. Cyprus was where Barnabas came from. There were many Jews on the island and the gospel had already been preached there. They landed at Salamis, a town on the east coast of the central plain of Cyprus. The first objectives of the two missionaries, Saul and Barnabas, are the Jewish synagogues. The idea was always to approach the Jews first on the principle, and they had the first claim to hear the gospel. It would be only after their refusal to accept the message that Paul would turn to the local Gentiles. We could ask ourselves, to what extent do I give spiritual and material help to those in need in my community? Am I a teacher or a prophet in my community? Or do I have some other charism by which I contribute to the well-being of my community? In what way do I spread the word of the gospel in my immediate environment? Am I known to be a committed and a caring Christian? Let's reflect on these questions today and find out how we are being a messenger like Saul and Barnabas in our own community, providing from what we have. Amen.